Have you ever wondered how you can earn $1,000 or more as a ghostwriter? Well, you are in the right place. Hello, Clint Ejele here. In this video, I'm going to cover how you can make over $500 to $2,000 per month as a ghostwriter, writing for top international companies. Many people don't understand that there are companies out there that will pay as much as $2,000 to claim ownership over your writing, otherwise known as ghostwriting. I will be showing you how to get those companies and also write for them. So what is ghostwriting? Ghostwriting is a fascinating profession that allows talented writers to create captivating content for others while remaining anonymous. It offers amazing earning potential and the chance to work together with diverse clients. So basically, ghostwriting is writing for people, companies, organizations without taking credit for it. So companies reach out to you, or you reach out to different companies, organizations to write for them. Then the companies will take full ownership of your work and they either pay in naira or in dollars. As a ghostwriter, you can work on various projects including books, articles, blog, speeches, and more. Your words have the power to influence and inspire, while your clients take the credit. So who can become a ghostwriter? Anybody can become a ghostwriter. Either you are a writer or a non-writer. Are you a student, or a youth cover, or a stay-at-home mom, a 9-to-5 worker, or anybody who wants an extra side hustle that can at least provide $500 or more monthly? So if you're a writer, you can do this business. If you're a non-writer, you can also do this business. While you're a student, you are depending on your parents and you feel the burden is too much on them and you want to be independent. Or you're a youth corper and the government allowance is too small for your upkeep. Or are you a 9-to-5 worker? You can do your 9-to-5 and also do this business as a side hustle. So you may be asking now, as a student or a non-writer, how can I make money from ghostwriting? How to make money from ghostwriting? When it comes to ghostwriting, there are two types of contracts. First is the exclusive contract, which can pay you up to $800 to $1,500 per contract, while the non-exclusive contracts, which can pay you $150 to $500 per contract. When it comes to the exclusive contracts, when a company reaches out to you to write for them and you have submitted your work, the book or article, you are not allowed to distribute it to other users. You cannot sell it in other platforms. You cannot post it in another platform. The sole owner of that particular work is the company. So if you have found wanting selling it to other platforms, your contracts will be terminated. When it comes to the non-exclusive contracts, as the name implies, non-exclusive, even after you have been paid by the company for your book or your article, you can go as far as reselling your book and your article to other companies, or uploading on your site or any other platform you choose to publish your work in. You may be asking, is it hard to get a contract? No, it is not hard. You can get as many as 10 contracts in a single month. You can get a contract in less than 5 to 10 working days. So you can get a contract in less than a week or two. There are students in the community that get contracts every single week, some every single day. Some people have up to 10 contracts, 11 contracts, 9, 6. Here is Grace, who got a contract within less than 48 hours of applying. Let's check out Fumi. Fumi has gotten more than 6 exclusive contracts in a single month. These contracts are not hard to get, as I said before, if you can just sit and learn, follow the training, the process, and you can get contracts as easy, as fast as possible. So Fumi said, yeah, good morning. Let me too share my own. I have been really busy to write, but I managed to pull this, my 6th or 7th exclusive contract. I have lost concept. Thank you, Daniel Sampson. This is a testimony. These testimonies are from our community, where over 1,000 plus ghostwriters are in. They share ideas together, bring trends, and all of us grow together. So this is Naomi. Naomi just signed her first contract She explained there, I'm super grateful to God Almighty. When she dropped out of school, she was broke for a year. Then in January, she saved up, got the course. Then in February, she got her first contract. Now she has her fourth exclusive contract. So that's not just wonder. If you can just follow the teachings, the process, your contracts will be flowing every single week. These are some payment proofs sent to the community. Abigail Bisoya 4 got paid over $500 plus for just 1 month of writing. Amazing. Eolola got paid $300 for just 1 month of writing. Is that not amazing? What are you waiting for? This is a very great business to venture in. At this point, you will surely be asking, how do I know what to write? What if I can't write? Where do we find these people and how are you sure that they are going to accept us? What to write is not an issue. There are various companies out there looking for writers to write for them. There's a popular saying that goes like this: readers are more than writers in the world. The percentage of writers is far, far low compared to readers in the world. So companies are looking for more writers to write for huge percent of readers that they have. So what to write will not be an issue. I don't know how to write. Are you sure I can do this? Yes, 100% you can do it. You will be taught how to get good writers, but you will pay them for their services. These paid writers are affordable. They charge as little as £1 per word, and you can get to an agreement of paying them after you have been paid for the contract. So all this is in the training. You'll be taught how to write, how to get good writers to write for you if you don't know how to write, and also how to negotiate payments with these writers you'll be outsourcing for. So how do I begin? Before you can get started as a ghostwriter, you need proper training so you can understand the necessary things you need to know to be very, very profitable with this skill and as a business. So for you to get started properly, you need to get proper training, know everything about ghostwriting and how to succeed in it. Because in this training, there are some special sites we'll be revealing to you. These special sites are not sites that you can just find anywhere. These are special sites, people don't even know about them. Some of them are located in Berlin, China, Holland, Korea. Also in this training, we'll be showing you the type of books or articles that you can publish for these companies. I want you to know that not all type of books are accepted by these companies. This training majorly will teach you how to structure your contents and how you can properly structure your articles and your books for you to get contracts faster from these companies or websites. And you will need a smartphone or laptop to properly do this training. And I can assume that most of us have smartphones because you are watching this video now. And also you will need an internet connection for you to activate this skill in the online space. And I know you will be asking, what is this training? What is this special training you're talking about? So this training is called the Ghostwriting Income Generator. So you'll be asking now, what can this training offer me? First, the training will show you free apps that can help you write if you decide to write yourself. It will teach you how to write if you decide to learn how to write yourself. So for non-writers, the training is going to provide you value on how to write, take you gradually, step by step, on how to formulate a write-up, article, book, or anything you'll be ghostwriting for. So also, it will give you over 12 verified foreign websites that pay ghostwriters. So these websites are not cheap to get. They are not easily found on the web. You cannot just stumble on it. These websites are so special. They are special websites. Getting these websites, the training will also give you proper guidance on how to apply for contracts. So you don't have to stress yourself, apply for contracts and you are not getting them. This training is going to give you the right way to apply for contracts. And these sites, they pay big time. They pay big time. This training is also going to teach you how to negotiate with verified good writers. If you decide to outsource, you don't want to write yourself. As a student or a 9-to-5 worker, you decide to outsource. This training is going to give you the step-by-step on how to negotiate with good writers that will write for you and wait for you to be paid after your contract for your contracts. Then before they will get paid, and that is amazing. Also, this training will help you open a domiciliary account in Nigeria bank for payments. So if you're in Nigeria, the domiciliary account is kind of difficult, because they try to ask for you to deposit money first. This training is going to show you a way around that. There's a mentorship group with over 1,000 plus ghostwriters that you can share your ideas with and make money together. So when you're in group in a community, learning becomes faster. Asking questions, you get more knowledge and insights, and you see your process in this ghostwriting journey will be seamless. The training is going to give you 13 hours of support daily to show you how this ghostwriting really works. Literally, these 13 hours, you'll be held by the hand daily and you'll be taught step by steps to properly apply for contracts and get your contract faster till you become strong and able to start getting your contracts yourself. There are a lot of editors in this community that you can speak to directly to get contracts. This is amazing. And also in this training, there is a full Upwork session. So there's a section in this training dedicated to just Upwork. So teaching you the do's and don'ts of Upwork. If you don't know what Upwork is, just search on Google Upwork. Upwork is one of the biggest platforms that pay ghostwriters to write. They pay millions of ghostwriters to write. Either you're a writer or a non-writer, you can milk the dollars from Upwork. And also, another bonus is full Opera news and article writing section. So if you know about Opera news and article writing, you will know there is money in Opera news. So there's a section dedicated to Opera news to teach you how to write articles and post and make money from Opera news. So you'll be asking, how do I register for this training? We currently just want 100 students. Once we have that, we are not taking any more students. So be the first to register for the training. The registration fee is currently 30,000 naira. That is $50. It is a one-time payment. So when you have paid for lifetime, and you have access to the value of how you can run ghostwriting and make money from it. Running ghostwriting as a business is not difficult. With this training, you will see that you can seamlessly run ghostwriting as a business and make thousands of dollars from it. Considering that these contracts are worth thousands of dollars and you can get as many as 10 in a month, this is an offer you don't want to miss, because getting one contract can get you more than times 4 of the money you used to register. So why don't you just up in the training now? If you have any questions, kindly get back to me with the link in the description. And also the link for this training, I will also place it in the description. Thank you for watching this video. If this video was helpful to you or you're interested in joining the training, please just hit me up in the description. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Until next time we see you.